Hello, this is Code Mickey and I'll be teaching how to build this onboarding UI in Ionic. First of all, make sure you have Ionic installed on your computer. Let's start by scaffolding a new project by running this command Ionic start onboarding app. We choose the blank template and we use the Angular framework. Let's navigate to our onboarding directory and open it in VS Code by running the command code space dot, and soon it will pop out VS Code for you, and it opens the folder directory inside of VS Code. Yeah, and now let's run the command Ionic Lab to save it on localhost for us to see the application up and running. So it will compile some files. We can also use the Ionic serve command to save it on localhost, but I would like to use the Ionic lab command to save it on iOS and Android, so we can see the UIs, how different they are in both platforms. So it saves the application on localhost 8101, and this is the application. Next, let's copy this color hexadecimal from scheme color, and we move to Ionic docs and we navigate to the color generator to change the CSS variables. So we replace the primary color and copy the CSS variables. Now we navigate to our variables, a CSS file, and replace it in there, and we save it. Now we save the application and rerun it. Let's copy our image assets and the fonts to their various locations. So we navigate to our project, to our assets, and we delete the existing ones, and we create a folder with the name image and the other one with the name fonts. Next, we paste our image inside of the image folder, and we move to the fonts. We copy them and we paste it inside of the fonts. Next, let's move to VS Code and navigate to our global CSS file and reference our fonts. So we start by calling at font face, and we give it a font family of RB, and we give the location, that's the path of it, as we use src URL, and we type the path of the file. So we have two files in there for the fonts, that's a bold font and the other being the regular type. So we change the font family to RR, and we change that of the src also. So now we want to make it global to apply the font family of RR. Yeah, so when we apply and reload, we'll see our changes here. Alright, so we made this beautiful onboarding UI with Ionic. Yeah, so this is built by Code Mickey. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon, and wait for more UI videos. Thank you.